Hello, my name's Anne Gardner. I'm the General Secretary of the Public Service Association. The budget's just been handed down, so we thought we'd take this opportunity to update members on what's happening and what's planned for the future. We're concerned, obviously, about the job cuts up until this time. We're concerned about the bill, the Government Sector Employment Bill, and we plan to have a campaign to build on the good work that members have participated in with regards to the petition. Now, the petition against the Government Sector Employment Bill was presented to the Reverend Fred Nile yesterday, members of the Greens and the Labor Party, and we achieved 16,000 signatures in total. That was a fantastic effort in less than 7 days. So we now know we've got the membership behind us, and we know we need to do more because we cannot accept these cuts without proper examination of the impact that they're having not only on our members but on the services in New South Wales, particularly in regional areas. So I'm going to hand over now to our Assistant General Secretary Steve Turner, who's going to talk you through the plans for our campaign.
Since the O'Farrell government's come to power in the state, it's introduced constant change, undermining job security in the state and attacking public sector workers' wages and conditions. This has created constant change in the workplace and led to instability and a difficulty in delivering the services that you deliver to the people of New South Wales. It thinks it can do this because of its massive majority in the lower house and the big size of its government. Well, many of its backbenchers have very low margins in their seats, and we want to go and make and hold these MPs accountable for their actions in government in this state. We're going to start coordinating community meetings around the state of PSA members. We'll call you together, we'll get you to vote to support this campaign, and then start to elect activists to go and meet with these MPs and ask them about the services that have been cutting, the jobs that are cutting, and the attacks on your wages and conditions. We'll then hold further meetings to report back how these MPs have gone, so you can decide on how to progress these campaigns to fight to protect your jobs and public services in this state. We're calling on you to come to these meetings, to work with other members of the PSA and the community, to write letters to your MPs, letters to the editors. We can join together to fight the campaign, to fight for public services in the state.
Our members just don't understand why their jobs have to be cut in order for this government to be able to provide infrastructure. Any business should be looking at innovative ways to do business before they start cutting jobs randomly. There's no such thing as a workplace where only one type of worker is the person who you rely on. It's a job lot. Everybody works in together in a workplace. If you're in a hospital, you still need somebody to do the procurement. If you're working as a teacher, you still need somebody to be at the front desk to give first aid to the children, to be a support learning officer. If you're in a police station, you still need our members, the public servants, who are so often vilified as bureaucrats. So these are our members who are losing their jobs, and we don't accept that our people who have families, who have children, they're human beings just like every other worker, and we're sick to death of them being referred to as an efficiency dividend.